Australia's economy relies on its regional areas being prosperous, and this year Adelaide Business Hub, through its Digital Solutions SA program, maintained its regional focus with specific workshops and mentoring to support tourism businesses in far north South Australia. This region of cattle and sheep stations, where the Flinders Ranges meets the Outback, has potential to develop further as a vibrant and environmentally sustainable tourism destination, and a strong turnout of local businesses made the most of this valuable opportunity.
So this is just a little bit of our backyard. We are 70,000 acres. We're a station stay here in the Flinders Ranges. So we're offering accommodation, camping and four-wheel driving. We're on one of the high points of our four-wheel drive track at the moment. So these are the spectacular views that you can actually see as you're trekking around our 80-kilometre track.
It was a very humble hotel with a great history, barely 1 star, but we really put an emphasis immediately on good food. And I think 30 years ago that was quite a brave thing to do. We introduced kangaroo to the menu, and that was really because we wanted to focus on local produce. We're in an extraordinary location. We're 470 kilometres north of Adelaide. We are part of the Flinders Ranges, but we're also on the road to the Outback tracks.
We did 5 workshops across the region. So we actually ran one that was focused on our Station Stays SA cluster. So Station Stays SA is a cluster of pastoral tourism businesses. So they're pastoral businesses in the region who have had to diversify into tourism in order to basically, I suppose, keep the doors open in a way. The workshops have been great, but the feedback has been that one-on-one has been really beneficial for the businesses, because then they can really focus on, in a workshop it's very general, but when you're doing that mentoring you can focus on exactly what you want for your business.
So the beauty of Adelaide Business Hub, a lot of that was about being able to do that regionally, which was fantastic. We don't have a lot of access to that training. On top of that, I guess this year with COVID and all of the challenges that we faced, what Adelaide Business Hub offered through the digital programs really allowed me to look at that part of our business and how we can be marketing that better. I definitely had a little bit more time to focus on it as well. But it was about trying to attract people that you probably wouldn't normally attract as well, and really figuring out who your customer was, which was fantastic.
Well, obviously due to our remote location, marketing does become quite an issue, and I guess we're really interested to attract a younger demographic as well. So I think being concentrating on marketing and quality of website, etc. are interesting, and we've just become very aware that we are a strong brand, but we're really going to concentrate in the future on looking at what we're doing moving forward.
The relationship that we've had with between RDA, or Regional Development Australia Far North, and Adelaide Business Hub is certainly something that will benefit hopefully from the extended program that's been come out through the federal budget, and somewhere that we definitely want to continue. It's a perfect match really.